Ako po si Lance Joseph Tecada from BSIT 3Y1-3. Part 1, Variables and Data Types. Una is Student Information System. Dito, pinapa-input natin si user ng student ID. Dito naman full name, section, tapos dito enter nila yung first grade nila, second grade, tsaka third grade. Dito naman, calculation to ng average, which is ipagpa-plus lang yung grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, tapos i-divide siya sa 3. Ito redundant lang to, nilagay ko lang pero kahit wala na yan. Dito naman, ipiprint niya lang yung student report. Tapos dito, para ma-print lahat nung or para mag-display lahat nung in-input ni user, tapos tsaka yung kinalculate natin, kailangan lang natin i-call out lahat ng variables. Next, salary calculator. Dito naman, employee name, pinapa-input natin si user, salary, tapos overtime hours. Dito, calculation naman siya. Overtime is equals to 150 times overtime. Gross salary is equals to base salary plus overtime hour. Sa tax, gross salary times 0.12. Sa net salary naman is gross salary minus tax. Ito ganun ulit para ma-print natin yung or para mag-display yung in-input ni user tsaka nung kinalculate natin, kailangan na lang ulit natin i-call out yung mga variable names na ginamit natin. Next is online shopping cart. Dito, input ni user is product, quantity, tsaka unit price. Same lang siya dito kasi tatlong product yung need nilang i-input. So, ang calculation dyan is total 1 is equals to price 1 times quantity 1. So, total 2 naman is price 2 times quantity 2. So, total 3, price 3 is price 3 times quantity 3. Ang total price ng ito is total 1 plus total 2 plus total 3. So, print at dito ipiprint niya cart summary. Ito naman para ma-print lahat nung in-input ni user tsaka nung kinalculate natin. Kailangan lang ulit natin i-call out yung mga variable names.